Alright, cool. Shopping at Stop and Shop. Love your onions. What you getting? What you getting?
Poland Spring sparkling water. Chips are big.
She's going for another one. What's that one?
Twisted orange.
Sorry. Oh, she's over there. That was some bad driving. He wasn't even paying attention. Alright, so we're walking down the aisle 17. As you can tell behind me. Trying to look for some more sauce. So I'm gonna turn you guys around. And voila! All the sauce ass.
Buffalo sauce.
Let me see. What?
Buffalo wing sauce.
Buffalo sauce. Yeah, that sauce is good. I'm gonna get two. We'll be balling today. I wanna see about SpaghettiOs. Yes, I eat SpaghettiOs. Oh, they don't even have the kind. They never have the kind that I want. They got all these other stuff that don't even cater to me. I want the SpaghettiOs with meatballs, but they never have the kind that I want. Never. They stopped having the kind that I want. I think they're doing this on purpose. Probably that too. Got your Scott Tasho. Oh, $13.49. $13.49. Put that big boy out there.
My fucking watch.
Alright, now we're going down this aisle, which is aisle 19, with the foil and stuff, Ziploc bags and everything like that. We got Gorilla Glue. Heard that was a strong glue. This guy right here, heard that was a strong glue. But I use crazy glue, even though sometimes it sticks my hands together, my fingers together, but oh well. Ah, you suck. Oh, yeah. Second time it's the charm. I thought it was third time it's the yogurts. All the bacon, 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 bacon. We got the turkey. Turkey, turkey, turkey. Turkey. Hot dogs. We got Sunny Delight. We don't care about that. Ice cream. You gotta get the coffee ice cream. Coffee, coffee, coffee. No other flavor but coffee, 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 coffee. Buy one, get one free. That's messed up. chocolate. That's a lot of chocolate though. Donuts, that's a lot of donuts to eat in one go. It's crazy that people actually eat that in one go. So, I'm trying to look for my coffee for my Keurig. These are Keurig products. Found the Verona, but the date says November 2020. And on the French rolls, which I already had before, it says March 2021. And let's see what this watcher says. It says November. So we gotta keep on going. November 2020. So my thing is this gonna be gone November 2020? Yeah, I mean, it says November 2020. Put that back. You always gotta put back what you take out. A lot of people don't do that. Okay, so I got two coffees that I get from my Keurig. Now it's Cafe Rostello, but this one says 100% Colombian, and this one just says like the regular one, which is like dark coffee. So you know what I'm gonna try? I tried this one already, so I'm going to try this one. It's a Keurig. It's easier. You don't have to worry about the grinds and stuff, so I'm gonna just throw this in the car. Good pointy. Damn. Okay, you stay right there. Now we gotta go wait online to check out. See, I got my mask on. Can't be too safe. It's a long ass line. Long line. Oh man, gotta go all the way around. And we at the starting line. Starting line.
Staring me in the face.
See? Who? Oh. Chocolate! Chocolate! See the little lines on the floor? That's the space 6 feet apart. Like people ever listen.